Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Settings, then System and Display. Use the brightness slider to test immediate response. Next, open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Check driver version. Once done, run Windows Update and install any pending graphics or system updates. Make sure to connect the power adapter and test both battery and plugged-in behaviors, because adaptive brightness can behave differently under each power profile. Now you move into the more complex middle steps to ensure the brightness control works. In Device Manager, update the display adapter driver. Pick Automatic Search first, because Windows may fetch a compatible package. If that doesn't restore brightness, uninstall the display adapter device and reboot so Windows reinstalls the driver cleanly. Once rebooted, install the OEM graphics driver from your manufacturer rather than the generic package, because OEM drivers often include brightness and power management. Finish by locking in stable behavior and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Disable adaptive brightness in power options and inside any Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD control panel. Adaptive features can override manual controls. Run the built-in troubleshooters for power and display through settings to catch configuration issues. If brightness still fails, check for BIOS or UEFI updates, and as a last resort, contact the OEM. This often resolves firmware-level problems. Remember, the troubleshooting tip is to test with the OEM driver and BIOS together for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.